Okay guys, so this is it, my PowerShot GX7 Mark II. We're going to go ahead and open the box. And we have our registration card on top for the limited warranty. An instruction manual. And here it is. Yeah. Nicely wrapped up, a little styrofoam type wrap. This is the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. I bought it at Best Buy. We also have a wrist strap, a battery, and a battery charger. So that's all of the components inside the box. I purchased additionally a 32 gigabyte memory card, which actually came free when you buy this particular camera at Best Buy. Okay guys, I have charged up the battery for this camera and we are going to pop it into the battery compartment here on the bottom. Let's see if I can do this while holding the camera. Looks like it goes, there we go. Maybe not. Try that way. There we go. All right, so it is in. Okay, so the card, the memory card, is going to go into the same slot as the battery. Snaps in there, close that up, and we can turn it on. Ooh, look, it turns on. All right, it's gonna ask us to set the date and time. There we go. New York is our time zone. And we are going to hit set for OK. Yay. And we are all set. All right, so the LCD screen flips up so that I can see what I'm filming when it's turned around in selfie mode. And it also flips down. So this is really cool, guys. I can just touch where I want it to focus. See, it's focused right now on the cup. If I tap here, it'll change the focus to the corner of the chair. Tap back there and it changes focus back to the cup. Okay, so it's time to unbox the Platinum Plus TravelLite Pro Tripod. This is by SunPak. It's for full-size DSLRs, mirrorless cameras, point-and-shoot cameras, and camcorders. Extends up to 63 inches, holds up to 6.6 pounds. It compacts down to 14.3 inches. All right, let's open this thing up. Sorry guys, this is why I need a tripod. All right, so Comes in a nice little SunPak case with a strap for carrying. Let's find a zipper here. And inside we have our tripod. Does come with a couple of little things inside this bag. Has 2 Allen wrenches. I don't know if you can see them. 2 Allen wrenches in there. And operating instructions in case you don't know how to operate a tripod, or this tripod in particular. Oh, look at that. Okay, so I want to make sure you guys can see this. It comes like this, but it actually extends out this way. So you can see that is how it compacts up. Very cool, huh? So that's it. It extends out like this. And then you have your tripod. So I just want to show you the system that it uses here so that you can extend your legs out more of an angle. So here I want my leg at that angle, and it snaps in. Same thing here. Just pop that piece out. And then I can have my leg extended at a wider angle. I don't need that, so we're going to snap it back in. There we go. It's very cool. Now here's the really cool feature that I bought this particular tripod for. All right, so this piece on the end actually screws off, and then you can unscrew this here. You can unscrew this piece here, and out comes the center of your tripod. So you can hold it like a monopod, which I think is going to be the most handy thing about it for me, to be able to hold that like that. And then when I want to stick it back in, just pop it back in there, and it's back to being a part of my tripod. Okay, so I have attached the tripod mount to the bottom of the camera. We're going to slide it in, and then it's recording video. There we go. Yeah, I like that 100 times better. Alright guys, I've got my camera all set up and recording, and I pretty much really like it. I think it's great. I'm super excited to test this out over the next week and see how it works, and if it works for me, I'm gonna keep it. If not, there's a couple other things that I have considered trying. Bitsy, do you like it? Where are you, little dog? She's run off. All right, I'm super excited. I think that's it. I will see you guys later. Bye.